Hey guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews, and today we take a look at and unbox the PowerA Play and Charge Kit for the Xbox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to take a look at this inexpensive piece for my Xbox controller. So for those of you who are not aware of already, it's 2021 and Xbox is still throwing out controllers that do not have rechargeable batteries. So I actually recently got the Xbox Series 1 or Xbox Series S, and they're still throwing out this with Duracell batteries, which is okay for some people, right? A lot of people prefer this because it's easy and it's quick to just do that rather than having to plug in your controller and recharge it constantly, right? So a lot of people are complaining about the PS5 wireless, or the charging not being great and the controller not lasting that long, or at least so I've heard, right? And Xbox, I've never really had issues with Xbox controllers. Usually when I put a set of AA batteries, it'll last maybe a good couple weeks. And I used to have rechargeable, removable AA batteries from the Rayovac brand. And anywho, basically from that, I just decided, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and just get something like this so that I don't have to really worry about having to buy batteries a lot. So this little charging kit costs $13 on Amazon, and I believe it's around the $13 mark at Target as well. You can buy it there as well. And again, I just wanted to get this unboxing going. It does come with 2 packs, and as you can see here, I have 2 controllers ready to go. And you know what, before we get this open, well, hold on, let's continue to slice this open. But for the most part, I've had my Xbox Series S for a good 2-3 weeks already, and the Duracell batteries on here still have more than half the battery life on that, so that says something. Let's take a quick look at the side here. It says 10 feet USB charge cable, which is included, which is pretty good, so that you can charge it. It has 2 1100 milliamp battery rechargeable batteries and 4 charge through battery doors. Works with Xbox wireless controls, and of course it has the user manual. So just wanted to throw that out there. It does look like it's USB, micro USB rather than USB type, USB-C, which is what you would see on the newer Xbox controllers, which up there, of course, USB type C on the Xbox Series S controller. And then if you look at the Xbox Series, Xbox One Series controllers, those are just basically micro USB. So really not a huge difference, obviously. I mean, as long as you're able to charge these actual devices, for some people it doesn't really matter, right? But again, this is less than $15, so I did want to see how good these are. Again, it does come with that 10 feet long cable, which is good because obviously a lot of people are not sitting close to their TVs nowadays for gaming. Some people are, some people aren't. And again, I ordered this on Amazon, and I don't know what's going on Amazon with the messed up packaging. Again, the packaging itself that it came in was just like a thick envelope, which I'm not a fan of, honestly. But let's take a look and see how this would work in general. So for the most part, I'm going to probably use it with my Xbox One controller, just to give you guys an example. And again, I am using cheapy Rayovac batteries. It's always good to have batteries, so not to complain on batteries, right? But let's just check out the installation really quick. It does come with this. Now, of course, I don't know if these are like different type of backings. Like, it comes with 2 of them, so I don't know if it's just one, because I believe that you can connect this to like a charging dock station, if I'm not correct on that. Let's take a look at the top here really quick. Let's see if it gives you like the plus and minus logo, because again, you can buy docks for these. And again, here is the actual micro USB connector right there. So there you go. That's what I was looking for right there, which was the plus and minus logo. So again, let's take a look here. If you look at the inside of the Xbox controller, there's the plus minus logo right there. So basically all I would do is, hold on, let's see. I think all I would do is just pop it in as so. Let me check this again really quick. Plus minus. That's the thing. What confuses me is that this thing has the USB charger thing on the bottom and not on the top, which I'm super confused about. But let's try it like this. I don't know, maybe I'm doing this wrong. Hold on. Plus minus. And let's just see if I can get it. Let's just see if I can get it in. Let's not embarrass ourselves further, right? Again, this is the Xbox one. I'm confused though, because like look at this. This is has connectors over here, but I was like, maybe those don't need connectors. Maybe it just hello. Maybe it just pops in just like that. But I'm gonna try it like this. Let's see how it goes. Again, I'm not gonna make it more than what it is, I guess. Okay, I'm having issues just popping this in, which is interesting. Okay, hold on. Let's stop this. All right, so I think I got this down. Hold on. I'm just trying to get that in. So probably be nice to follow the instructions. So something that I probably need to do from now on. A lot of people complain that I don't look at the instructions. So there you go. I was actually putting it in wrong. That's what she said, right? But for the most part, again, it just tells you right there, install the recharge battery into the battery compartment. It says attach the attaching charge through battery back door, and then plug it in. So there's that. Here is the battery back door, which again, I don't know why it comes with like 4 of these. I don't know if people just think they're going to end up losing these or what, but this is one that it came with. Again, this is an Xbox One controller. Let's see if we can get that to clip in. It's a little bit difficult. Again, maybe I'm doing this wrong, right? For the most part, like, you don't want it to be moving, obviously, right? So see if I can get it to clip in correctly. That portion clips in right, but let's see, maybe I can get this too. Maybe I'm using the wrong one. Let's see, they're pretty much identical. So, and again, you guys are just watching me fail at life right now, so apologies in advance for failing at life over here. But for the most part, it just looks like it's supposed to slide in. I mean, there's nothing for it to be sliding into. That's the thing about that. Like, and I wish it would just clamp in. Like, maybe that's just the way it's supposed to be. Like, I don't know. I don't really like the gap there, but let's. It doesn't really move too much. Although I guess if you're playing, you're not going to notice too much, right? But it doesn't really move too much. Again, this is the Xbox. This is an Xbox One controller, and I was like, maybe it was designed a little bit differently for the Xbox Series S. So let's take a look at that really quick. Let's pop out the back door for this controller. And again, I see these do have those little indentation tabs on top. These ones not so much. So I kind of want to just see if this clips in better than the other one really quick. And this one does look like it clips in a little bit better. See, this one clips on just fine for the Xbox Series S controller. So again, maybe this was only Xbox Series S compatible. Not 100% sure, honestly. It doesn't say. I mean, I believe when I ordered it, it did say Xbox One and Xbox Series S controllers. So I'm just like kind of confused about that. But let me continue to try this. I don't know. Maybe I just need to push it in, or maybe it's because it's the battery pack. But honestly, let's just try it over here on the Xbox Series S controller. Maybe it's only going to work on that one. I don't know. We'll find out. Let's see. Let's pull out those AA batteries really quick. Let's pop this back in. All right, and let's go back and let's try this again. Again, I'm failing at life over here, guys. See, that's the part that's concerning me. There you go. So on this one, again, it just pops right in perfectly. So again, this is Xbox Series S controller, guys. So again, I don't know if there's a difference between those little indentations right there on top. So I guess just a quick heads up for those of you guys that want to use this for the Xbox One. So far, from what I'm seeing, it's only going to be working for the Series S so far. And again, I need to double check and see what's going on with that. Let's see if it turns on, or if it has. Ooh, it does have juice. All right, so I know it works because it does have juice, and again, it does come with this battery connector over here. So again, even though it does have the USB Type-C connector over here, you do have to plug this into your micro USB to charge it, right? And again, I do have a charger over here. Let's see if I can get that plugged in really quick. Maybe on the other side. See if that does anything. Let's see if there's any indicator that this is charging, by the way. So yeah, if you guys can see there, so the little light indicates that it is charging right now. Of course, I don't know what that looks like when it's fully charged. It might turn a different color, right? But this is just for reference for those people who are interested in buying this. So again, guys, this is just a quick video, and again, sorry if it bored you a little bit, right? But for the people that are, interested in buying this little chargeable station or charging station for, the Xbox Series S, There, that's the brand right there, PowerA. You can get this at Target, and I'm gonna go ahead and leave the Amazon affiliate link down below so you all can check that out. So again, guys, this is Mike from Big Tech Review signing off. Thanks again for watching. We will see you guys next time. Oh, and if you guys are wondering, I did manage to get the back portion of the Xbox One controller, I guess. So again, I have Xbox Series S, Xbox One. I guess it just needed a little bit of fiddling with or whatever. For the most part, though, I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry, the lighting's horrible in my room here. But again, I got it going, so I will be able to use this with my Xbox One controller as well. So $13. Maybe I'll do an update video on to see how good these are as far as battery life goes. Because again, 1100 milliamps doesn't seem much to me, but again, for gaming, maybe that's enough. Because I usually sit down for not more than a couple of hours when it comes to gaming. So we're gonna have to check that out. I'm gonna connect this. I'm gonna see how long these last on a charge, and maybe I'll do an update video for you guys. So again, maybe we'll do a first YouTube short on that. So again, guys, Mike from B Tech Review signing off. Thanks again for watching. Smash the like button, subscribe. Thank you again for watching. Okay.